Hello everyone, welcome to Crunch Sports, and this is another preview for IPL, the 14th game, and CSK versus KKR. So Rishi, we have Rishi with us. How are you, Rishi?
I'm good, Somil. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. How is IPL been so far for you? How do you think it is?
It's been amazing, and I think that it has been the most interesting IPL as of all till now. We haven't seen
Yeah.
so many close wins, so many close losses till now.
Mm.
People like teams are coming in till the last over and then winning the game from where they were, it was looking like they'll lose the game, and then
Yeah.
some teams are losing the game from where they thought that they'll win the game. So yesterday I
Yeah.
thought that MI would win the game, but then those two no balls changed the whole game. And opposite as well, same. I wasn't thinking that um, yesterday the other team could get that win, but then
Mm.
MI just gave away that win. They just threw wickets. They didn't
Mm.
get that many runs, and then everything went up aside. So what do you think? How is this IPL going?
Yeah, it has been close as far as I see it. Because yeah, as you told, the results have not been as expected. There has not
Yeah.
been one-sided matches as many, and yeah, Mumbai especially they have been very good at comebacks. Yesterday, I expected them to win. When Bumrah was bowling, I think the two no balls changed the fate of the game. But they still bowled very well. Defending 137 is no joke. So yeah, I think that teams are doing well, and I expected more from SRS to be honest. Three games, three losses. I think if they come to once they come to Mumbai, I think they'll do better because there'll be something in the pitch for players like Bhuvi. But yeah, it's been a close first week.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's talk about today's match. KKR versus CSK. What are your thoughts on today's game?
I didn't get your question.
Your thoughts on today's game, KKR versus CSK. What do you think?
Uh,
How do you think it'll be?
yeah, I think again it's going to be a close one because both the sides are star pack sides. One side has
Yeah.
Russell, other side has Moeen Ali. If you see, Moeen Ali has been performing consistently.
Mm.
Then another side has Nitish Rana. One side has Suresh Raina. So there are so many packed star. Like both the teams are packed with stars. Like one side has Dhoni, one side has Owen Morgan. So both captains are
Mm.
good. Both captains think a lot.
Mm.
But then I think that on the captaincy side of point of side, Dhoni is he's the best in the world. Nobody, no, there's no comparison when it comes to Dhoni's captaincy. We saw him in the last game as well when
Mm.
it was RR versus CSK, and then the ball was wet, and then Josh Butler hit a
Yeah.
six. Next ball, new ball came in, and then he said that the ball is dry, so it will turn. And
Return.
the next ball, he
Yeah.
got wicket of Josh Butler. So yeah,
Mm.
he's quite a. We all know he doesn't have to prove again and again what kind of captain he is. So yeah, it'll be an interesting contest today. Let's see. What do you think?
Mm.
Who will who will be
Yeah.
who will be the dominating side today?
See, I'm always with CSK, so I think CSK will have the win. But this is KKR's first game in Mumbai, so I will have to see how they're going to adapt to the conditions
Yeah.
and things like that. So CSK have been there for the past three games. I think they have done pretty well to adjust. They didn't have a pretty good record at 1KD before that. So now they've done pretty well in the past three games. So I guess, yeah, now the quality will be tested in the upcoming matches against RCB and KKR. So yeah, I think it'll be a close match again. Yeah, so now let's get to the head-to-head stats between KKR and CSK. 23 matches have been played between these two sides, out of which 14 CSK have won and KKR have won 8, and there was one no result. Yeah, they have produced some good close games in the past. We have seen some good games. So now today also will be a close game, I think. So now let's get into the captain stats against each other.
Yeah.
So first up, Ian Morgan stats against
Yeah.
CSK.
So Van Morgan has he has 8 innings against CSK, and he has scored 100 runs against them, exact 100 runs, and the highest score is 32. So it looks like an average score against against CSK. If you compare it to Dhoni stats, you tell about Dhoni
Mm.
stats, then we'll compare both.
Yeah, sure. Now Dhoni against KKR, there have been 22 innings where he's played against KKR, and he has scored 483 runs with a highest score of 66.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, the Dhoni style certainly looks better, but I think Morgan, he hasn't played that many games against CSK,
Yeah.
and we have to see a situation which he has come in also. It might be tight situations. So I think, yeah, I think Dhoni has a head, but I don't know. We have it's too early to judge Morgan. Morgan, that's what I think.
Maybe at this moment, Dhoni isn't, well, we respect his game and what he has done in the past, but then at this moment we have to accept the fact that you cannot expect what he has done before, like in the past. You cannot expect big knocks from him. He'll come in, he'll chip
Yeah,
in for some 20 runs. You can expect only that
yeah,
much from him. But
yeah,
from Morgan, you can expect big knocks, like maybe 60, 80 runs knocks you can expect from Morgan. I hope that he clicks off sooner or later, because KKR needs him right now. Like,
yeah.
you have to start winning games for your team, or else they'll stop having faith in you.
Yeah.
Is what I feel.
Yeah, I guess Morgan has to score because the top order of KKR is doing all right because
Yeah,
Tripathi and Rana have been doing pretty well.
yeah,
But it's time for the middle order to step up. Players like Russell and Morgan have to step up to their name and show their true ability. Then KKR will be a formidable side in this tournament. Yeah, so let's get to the star performers from previous game for each team. First up, KKR.
yeah. So, yeah. So star performer for KKR was Varun Chakravarti last time when he played
Yeah.
against RCB. So he bowled 4 overs. He gave away 39 runs and got 2 wickets at an economy of 9.8.
Mm.
Well, he started well. I think KKR captain Oinmogan, he gave him a good start. Like at the
Yeah.
he bowled the opening over. He got and then he got 2 wickets in the start. But then I think he should have continued Varun
Mm.
Chakravarti instead of stopping him. He gave
Mm.
Maxwell and AB de Villiers the pathway to score runs, and by stopping Varun Chakravarti, who was bowling that well. And
Yeah.
so yeah, I hope that using those bowlers which are there as an option is very important. Where you use which
Mm.
bowler, where you use, suppose
Yeah.
spinners are giving runs, bring in some fast bowler to get some wickets, or if fast bowlers are
Mm.
giving away runs, then bring a spinner to slow down the game. So that is very
True.
important while the match is going on. I hope that Owen Morgan does good he uses his bowlers well. Maybe
Yeah.
hope we see that. Yeah. And
Yeah.
whom do you think was the star performer from CSK?
Yeah, from last match, CSK performer was I think Moin Ali.
Yeah.
He scored 26 runs of 20 balls and picked up 3 wickets, which is crucial, and with an economy of 2.30. I mean, yeah, the addition of Moin Ali has been proving great for CSK.
Right.
He's giving the platform to Suresh Raina and Raidu to
Yeah.
go big, not go into a shell and defend out the overs when wicket or two falls. So I think Moeen Ali has been terrific with the bat, but last match we got to see him with the ball also. So yeah, when in the auction when we missed out Glenn Maxwell, I was a bit worried, but now I think Moeen Ali's inclusion is proving to be good, if not better. What are your thoughts on Moeen Ali?
Yeah, this is a quite good inclusion which CSK has got. Like and even for Moin Ali like personally, because
Yeah.
when I was in RCB camp, he was sitting outside. He was not getting that many chances. He was not being
Mm,
believed on. Like I
mm,
don't think Virat Kohli had faith in him as much as he had on others. It's not like he didn't have, but
mm,
then he didn't have so much that as much as he had on any other player in RCB camp. So Moeen Ali personally has got a good team, maybe somebody who has good faith on him, and then getting to play all the matches like from the start. First, for a team like CSK is a big honor.
yeah.
And even for RCB or any other team in the IPL, if you're playing all the matches
Yeah.
from the start, it's a big honor for you. And then for I think he must be happy, and even CSK must be happy, because it's going both ways. Like he's performing for them, and they are showing faith on him.
They show faith in him. Yeah,
Yeah,
true. Yeah, CSK have been known for showing faith in players.
yeah,
They have backed them regardless of the results. And Moeen Ali is delivering results, so I think he'll continue to play. And now let's go for the predicted lineups. KKR's predicted lineup, Rishi. What do you think will changes
Yeah,
today?
so I'll probably go with the similar lineup which was being played till now. So I'll have Nitish Rana and Shubman Gill to open. Then Rahul Tripathi at number 3, Owen Morgan number 4, Dinesh Karthik at number 5, Shakib Al Hasan at number 6, Andrew Russell at number 7, Pat Cummins number 8. So till here I have a batting lineup like normal batting lineup
Yeah,
because Pat Cummins is also an
yeah,
all-rounder and Andrew Russell is we know what Andrew Russell has done. So till here I
yeah,
have a good batting lineup. And then going to the bowlers, like the pure bowlers is Harbhajan Singh, Varun Chakravarti, Prasidh Krishna. So these bowlers will
yeah,
be backed by Pat Cummins, Andrew Russell, and Shakib Al Hasan as
yeah.
as 6 bowlers. They have good bowlers. And then if anything is required, then maybe Nitish Rana can bowl one or
Can
two.
bowl. Yeah.
Yeah. And what do you think about this lineup? And then tell me about CSK's lineup.
Yeah, I think this is the best lineup that the KKR can possibly put forward, not in terms of names, but in terms of combination and getting the 6 bowlers. And in case if someone goes for runs, you have Rana to swing his arm as well.
Yeah.
So I think this is a good lineup. It's just that the star players have not stepped up and performed yet. If they can do that, I think this is a formidable lineup. And coming to CSK,
Yeah.
I think there are not going to be any changes because we have won the last 2 games, and I mean even after losing, CSK didn't make any changes, but so there's less likely that we're going to make a change after winning. It's just that one query would be to go with Ruturaj Gaikwad or to replace him with Uthappa. But I've gone with Ruturaj Gaikwad because I think you have to start backing him,
Yeah.
and this is an aging side, no doubt about that. So I think we need to produce more youngsters. He's a good talent, just that he's not formed yet. I think he will in the upcoming matches. Yeah, that's the lineup for both teams. And now heading to the questions, the last part of the preview show. So who do you think will win the toss today, Rishi?
I'll go with Dhoni to win the toss. He has a good record of winning tosses.
Yeah, I would say the same as well. 50% plus winning tosses is a good thing to have. It's a good thing to have at Dhoni's side. So yeah, I think. And what do you think if he wins the toss? What do you think he'll do? Bat first or ball
See,
first?
whoever wins the toss, I'm choosing Dhoni to win the toss. But then whoever wins the toss, they have to bat first. There's no, sorry, yeah, there's no this thing about it.
Okay.
There's no doubt.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you think? So do you think the score will be defended or chased? What are your thoughts on that?
I think the score will be defended because when we say that the team who wins the toss should bat first, so
Yeah.
we are backing the side who wins the toss, right? So yeah,
Yeah.
they should probably go to defend the title. Sorry,
Yeah.
defend the
I think score. Yeah. And I think the score will be defended today. And CSK will win the toss and choose to bat first. And how much do you think KKR's openers will score?
I think 50 plus. I'll go with 50 plus. What do you think?
Yeah. I think anywhere between 30 to 35 plus.
CSK,
But if the ball
openers.
CSK openers, well, if they bat first, then I think uh, 25 plus, 25 to 35 is what they'll get today. That's what I think. Yeah. But KKR's opener, coming to the point, I think Deepak Chahar, if the ball swings for him, then I think it'll be from 20 to 30. But
Right.
if the ball doesn't swing, then 35 to 40 would be my
Yeah. He's quite
prediction.
dangerous. We have seen. He's
Yeah,
very dangerous with the swinging new ball.
swinging ball, exactly. Yeah, and we saw last match against RR for CSK. Jadeja took 4 catches. How much do you think he'll take today?
I'll go with 3 catches for Jadeja.
Yeah,
Maybe 1 or 2 runouts also. What
yeah.
are
If he
your
gets a run out, then it'll be
yeah?
beautiful
What
for
are your
CSK.
predictions about this?
2 or 3. Okay, I'm going with 2 today because they'll be more watchful of where Jadeja is and score. Try not to score in that area. So I think it'll be 2 or 3 maximum. So I'm going with 2 either way.
Yeah.
And a last and final question: who do you think will win the match today?
Of course, I'll go with KKR to win the match. I'll want them to win the
Mm.
matches because it is right time for them to win the matches right now. If not
Mm.
right now,
Mm.
they might lose their spot for the playoffs. Is what I feel.
Yeah,
Who,
yeah.
who do
And
you
they
think?
have to start. Yeah, I'm going with CSK. They have the momentum with them.
Right.
That is plays a crucial role, and they know the conditions. They've assessed the conditions, so I think they have a suited team for that. But KKR do have a good team, but they have to come and assess the conditions. So
Yeah.
that's one thing which they might have to work on. And CSK have the momentum too. So yeah, I'll go with CSK today. Yeah, that's the preview show, guys, and subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button, and join our Discord server. We have a lot of things coming on and going to happen there pretty soon. And yeah, thank you, Rishi. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Santosh.